Welcome to our tutorial on Timbeter Log Counter, the leading solution for a quick and accurate log count. Today, we'll guide you through the process of using the Timbeter Log Counter. Let's get started by opening the mobile application. First, you will see two options to make a new count and to view results. Let's proceed with counting logs. Stand parallel to the pile and hold your device steady, ensuring that all logs are within the frame. For large piles, you can switch to panorama mode. If necessary, adjust the light conditions. Press on the camera icon to snap a photo. Press on Count and Save to make a measurement immediately, or you can save the image for later. Once the photo is taken, it's time to add your data. You can add a shipment number, select a measurement type, tree species, quality, and add log length. Next, by dragging the white markers, adjust the area of interest and click Next. In this step, you can manually adjust detection. You can add a missing log, adjust position and size. To remove an unnecessary log or object, press and hold on it. Click Next to view results. And here is your result with a log count and all additional information. You can always edit measurement or create a new one based on the same photo. All your results are saved in the cloud so you can access and manage your measurements. If the measurement is successfully synchronized, you will see an orange cloud. If not, it will be gray. Make sure you have stable internet connection for synchronization. Also, it is possible to directly send results to your colleagues or clients. Select necessary measurements and click Send. And that's how you use Timbeter to count logs quickly and accurately. With Timbeter Log Counter, you can save time, reduce errors, and make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more information, visit our website or contact our support team.